Vevor Push Reel Lawnmower. Let's set it up. The handle top with foam grip. The net bag is right there. The handle bottom bar. That's it. And also the side bars. And now the machine itself. The push reel lawnmower itself. Now that's the manual. That is the measure. So we take out the plastic and the foam used to protect the handle bottom bar. We take it out. So we start setting up the handle. We first pick the handle top with the foam grip. We follow the manual too. That's the side bars, and that is the handle top with the foam, and that is the handle bottom bar, and that is the machine itself. So we're going to use this manual. Let's go. And also this has 6 screws. Like I said, 7 came with it, but you're only going to use 6, and the remaining one you keep it. So let's start it. Let's set it this way as it is. So we take the handle top with the foam first, and we get the side bars. When we get the side bars, we just put it all into the handle top. We're going to use the manual. Let's follow it. So we're going to put these 2 side bars on the handle top with foam grip, and both are going to be facing outside, just as it is in the manual. We'll put it this way, like so, and this way. Then we look for the screws and put it both on the left side, screw up, make it firm. Then we go to the right and put it in there, put the screw in there, and make it very tight and firm, so that when we start using this, it's not going to be shaky. And the next thing we are looking into now is firm. The next thing we are looking into is to put the handle bottom bars. The handle bottom bars use 2 screws on each side. So that means we're going to be using 4 screws for both sides. I start by putting one in each side first, then to make it like firm, before adding using the 2 on each side. So 2 screws on each side. So I'm going to get this side fixed first, then the other side. So let's screw it this way. Let's go. Right, make it firm, very firm. And this is the other side that we're going to be putting this in there. All right. We make it very firm. Very firm. Keep moving. We're almost done. We are almost done. So we make it very firm. So we have a knob on the machine, so each goes into those bolts. See the knob, those 2 knobs on the lawnmower itself. The one on the left goes to the left, the one on the right goes to the right. But you have to make sure you put the one side first before the other, and you have to force the other one in. Then that makes your Vevor Push Reel Lawnmower better. This is very good because I've seen a lot of people use it in my environment and they have good grass. So we want to put the net bag. So this is a bar for the bag. So there is like a hook on the bag that goes on the bar of the lawnmower. This actually makes your grass grow so nice. It's like very green. So on this one, we're going to just put the strap to hold the basket. I always don't want it to go so low because I don't want it to be messed up. Also, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the gears, how to change the level from lower to the highest. So we're going to be using this to measure the scissors. This actually came with it. You're just going to put it right there. It has all the numbers from 1 to like 4, but in between you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just in between, just like you have the teeth on the gears. So you just have to put it right in between the blade, the sixers, then you know what height your blade is. So it tells you, you see it there on the line, it shows on the line when you put it in there. So if you want it to go up, you just have to adjust the gear. If you want it to go down, you just also need to adjust the gear based on what tooth you set it to. It could be first, if it is 1 here, it's going to be 1 on the other side. If it is 2 here, it's going to be 2 on the other side. To go up, you can go to the list like 9, which is the last one. And if you want it to be on 5, you put it in the middle. Just the same way to make it even. So that's just it about this one. But you're going to love it. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate you. Do not forget to subscribe, to like and share my video. I tell you, this is the best. Vevor Push Real Lawnmower. See you again in my next video. Thank you so much and enjoy your